And welcome back. Athletics first up, Jamaican athletes will look to increase the 82 medal haul from 2018 when they join hundreds of other young athletes from across the Caribbean for the 3-day CARIFTA Track and Field Championships. The championships will begin on Saturday in the Cayman Islands. Karen Madden looks ahead.
Reigning World Under-20 discus champion Kai Chang will lead Jamaica's charge in the morning session on the opening day of the CARIFTA Championships in the Cayman Islands. Chang, who is also the boys' team captain, is confident of defending his title, but is also looking to good performances from the team. Of particular interest to the outgoing Calabar senior is the overall improvement in Jamaica's throws program.
They have been progressing well, and we have many world-class throwers now, and the athletes are now putting themselves on the scene to be competitive at the world stage. So I'm very encouraged, and it's a bright future for the Jamaica throwers.
Sprinter Carletta Bernard is one of the younger members of the team, but she's looking for big things as she steps into her first CARIFTA Championships.
This will be my first CARIFTA Games, and I'll be participating in the 100 meters. I ran 11:68 at Champs, and I'm looking to lower it at the CARIFTA Games.
Under-20 sprinter Xavier Nairn, who had to settle for a bronze medal last year, wants to improve on that placing.
Well, yeah, was my first, that's like my second CARIFTA. I went out there and I wasn't the favorite, but I did my best. It was a great experience, and I get a bronze medal. So coming in these championships now, I have more experience. I expect to go out there, and do much better.
Under-18 sprint hurdles world record holder Kira Nugent will not get into action until the final day, but she too was confident of great things.
Yes, I am confident, but we just have to go out there to do what we have to do. Sometimes you have to expect the good and expect the bad, so I just expecting one.
Head coach Marlon Gale would not be drawn into a medal count, but he knows the quality of his team.
2019 brings a lot more balance, a lot more competition among classes in our young athletes, and I believe the persons who have been selected are as good as many of the other names that persons are normally accustomed to. We have new persons who are rising up out of the ashes, who the rest of the Caribbean will pretty much get familiar with for this championship.
Finals of the 100 meters, the 400 meters and 1500 meters for all divisions will also be contested on Saturday's opening day. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.